Hello everybody and welcome to Outdoors Britain. In this episode we're going to head on down to my golf course permission to see if we can bag a bunny or two for the pot. See you when we get there. And we've landed at the golf course. We're going to follow standard procedure and get a target out, check zero, and then get suited and booted and head on out. See you in a bit. Right, let's go and see how we did. First two went a little bit high. That was my fault. But I reckon one click down and we'll be good to go. One click down. Right, now I'm just about suited and booted and ready to head on out over the course. Hopefully the next bit of footage you see will be on the pod. See you in a bit. And back to the car for a brew. But this time I've got the big cup. Well, I'm really pleased to get that one, as it's turned out to be a bit of a tough night. There hasn't been many out, but I am especially happy to get that particular one because I've been after it for months and months. It's always hanging around in that same little corner where I got him, and yeah, it's been doing a lot of damage for months and months. I don't know if you'll be able to tell from the footage on the pod or not, but that bank that he was on top of, that bank is it's quite high and steep, and it surrounds a green, and yeah, that particular rabbit's been doing a lot of damage to that bank and green. So I'm happy I've got the one I've been after for months, and I should think the course manager will also be happy that I've got that little vandal for him. To be honest, I didn't really want to come back to the car just yet, but I've had to because the battery in the pod's pretty much run out now. So yeah, I'm going to finish my brew and head on out with a fresh battery, see if I can pick up another one. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot. I brought a chair with me this time. That's a lot more comfortable than perching on the edge of the boot of the car. So yeah, like I said, once I finish my brew, I'm going to change the battery and head back out for another lap. In fact, I might even have a mooch up the far end of the other course, see if there's anything about up there. So hopefully the next bit of footage you see will be another one on the pod. See you in a bit. And back to the car for one last brew. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to get another one. But to be honest, like I said earlier, it has been a pretty tough night. There just hasn't been much about. Oh, that's a bit better. But as I've said plenty of times before, we did get one, and one is always better than none. And here it is. It's going a bit stiff now because it's been in here a while, but as you can see, that's a pretty nice keeper, that. It can go back in the bag. Yeah, what I forgot to say earlier was when I shot that rabbit, I didn't use the rangefinder. And the only reason I didn't use it is because where I've been after that one for so long, the place where I shot that from to where it got shot, I already know that distance is between 30 and 35 yards, which is pretty much bang on zero. Usually I can't get within 60-70 yards of it, you know, it just sort of turns tail and runs, but this time I was really surprised that it stayed still, so I took the opportunity and it paid off. Anyway, I'm gonna have this brew and head for home. See you in a bit. And I'm home. That rabbit is now gutted and skinned and awaiting butchering by the beautiful Mrs. Outdoors Britain. It's been a bit of a short and sweet one this week, but I really hope you've enjoyed this video. That is the end. Thank you for watching.